Hi, in this video I'm going to explain what I have learned for the Python deep learning lesson 2, in which we have applied some basics of Keras using Keras. So we have discussed about the neural networks and the activation functions, that is linear and non-linear functions. And coming to the programming part, we have been given with a starter code. Which in turns takes the images, and it will be detecting what's written in the image. If it's like one will be written with hand, so it will be detected by this program. So first we have taken the shape of the shape of each and every figure is of 28 cross 28. So we have removed the dimensions as 1 cross 784, and we have taken the data for testing and for the training. So before that, we have converted all the data into float, and then we have scaled those data. So here is what we have done the scaling for that. And next we have used activation technique of ReLU. Like it will be having the hidden layers, and the output will be 10, because we have been already given, like it will be output will be from 0 to 10, 0 to 9, so it will be 10. So for that activation we have used softmax. So we have fitted this training and test data sets with a batch size of 256, and Epoch we have taken 10, and we have done them evaluated the model. So it has given us the data loss and accuracy. So we'll just see that output. So initially the loss is 0.098 and the accuracy is 0.98. The first question is like we need to figure the plot for the loss and accuracy of the test and the training data sets. So if you can see, like the validation loss, after validation the loss is like we can see this blue line. It was like almost 0.1, and the validation accuracy is higher, like you can see this yellow line, and the training loss is lower, and the training accuracy is at par equals to 1. And coming to the second part of the question, we have been asked to test a single image. So I have taken image number 27. So this is that image. If you can see, like our model has predicted the image type, it was 4. So we have been plotted this 4 graph, and coming to the next question, we have been asked, we have used 2 hidden layers and ReLU activation. Try to change the number of hidden layers and activation to tan or sigmoid. So for that, first I have increased the number of hidden layers. If you can see, like I have increased the layers by 2. So after that I have fitted these data sets into the model, and have found that accuracy. So that accuracy is, so that accuracy, new accuracy is 0.98, and the change in the accuracy is 0.08, and the loss is like 0.1, and the change from the first to the last is 0.01. And after that I have changed the activation model from ReLU to sigmoid, and I have calculated I have fitted the model and have calculated the value. So if you can see, this is the value. So it was like the loss is 0.08, and the change is minus 0.08. This means this loss is less than the previous model's loss. So we can say that the sigmoid has better efficiency. I mean, the loss is less, and 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 the next part is we need to perform the same operation without scaling the data set. So I have read the data set data again, and I have performed the fitting operations, model fitting operations on this. And for the non-scale data, we have got the loss is like 0.4, new loss is 0.4. It was pretty high, and the accuracy is just 0.7. So, and that's it.